loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous natural looking ponytail using clip-ins, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope this video helps.
See what you bear, you make the room spin around. I knew that, I didn't know a thing, and that drew me in. Can we do it again, baby? Yours coming right away. You're so cold with everything that you said, babe. Sometimes I can't even relate, baby. But with him, I knew what he was gonna say. Didn't hit the same, and it good to me, it's such a shame. And there's really no one else to blame. Now things fall off his tongue. I miss the feeling of new memories. I miss the feeling of waking up to something unpredictable. Unpredictable, unpredictable, unpredictable.
I like to guess if you'll be there when I wake up. Don't care if you leave as long as you show up. I like that you make me second guess it. With curfews and sentiments, I'm a question mark on my sentences, yeah. You don't like consistency, and he always gonna be the same. And you know I love a toxic trait. I still
miss the feeling of new memories.
I miss the feeling of
I miss the feeling of waking up to something unpredictable. Unpredictable, unpredictable, unpredictable. I live around the corner. What you mean? You don't wanna? Finna call my car. Oh baby, before I spaz out, I never been the type to get crazy, make me act out. But you brought it out of me. Don't be mad now. Miss the feeling of new memories. I miss the feeling of waking up to something unpredictable. Unpredictable.